Hey everybody, I just want to take a few minutes and talk about metabolic health. And basically, it starts in the gut. And you probably have heard me say this before, but why do I say that? Well, let's think about inflammatory conditions like celiac disease, for example. Most people think that celiac disease is just about stomach issues, but what if I told you it can mess with your blood sugar hormones too? Let that sit in a little bit. So just imagine that your small intestine is like a soft, shaggy carpet, right? And this carpet is full of tiny little fibers called villi. Those things, those little villi, those little fingers, help you absorb nutrients and also send out important signals to your body. Okay? Now with celiac disease, every time gluten shows up, your immune system basically freaks out and starts attacking that carpet or that small intestinal lining. So over time, it starts to flatten and damages it. So instead of fluffy working carpet, you've got something worn down and irritated. It's all inflamed now. When that lining gets damaged, here's your lining. When that lining gets damaged, tiny gaps can form. And there's a word for that, if you know what I'm talking about. But now here's the part nobody wants to talk about. Inside that lining are special cells that make a hormone called GLP-1. And you know, that's a popular subject out there right now. But that hormone is basically your gut texting your pancreas saying, hey, there's food out there. Release insulin. But here's the kicker. If the lining is inflamed and leaky, has those gaps in it, those hormone signals don't fire properly. So now insulin doesn't work as smoothly as it should. Blood sugar control gets harder. So, celiac or other inflammatory conditions are not just about digestion. Your gut isn't just a food tube, it's part of your metabolic control center. So when the gut lining is damaged, inflammation goes up, hormone signaling goes down, and your whole system feels it. So if you have celiac disease or some other form of gut inflammation, and you're struggling with blood sugar swings, this might be why. Or in other words, insulin resistance. This might be why. So your gut and your metabolism are way more connected than what you may have been told before. So if you're interested in learning more about a workaround for this, or how to help heal your gut lining, check the link. Now, go be awesome.